Hello, welcome to the Moving Made Simple series. Today we're going to talk about the hidden moving costs that most people forget about. One thing nobody really warns you about is all the little hidden costs of moving that sneak up on you. You budget for the truck, you budget for the movers, and you don't think about the other little costs that may show up along your journey. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the hidden moving costs that most people forget about so you're not caught off guard. This isn't about scaring you, this is about helping you plan better. When you know what's coming, you can make smarter choices and avoid stress later. The first cost that sneaks up on you is moving supplies. Boxes, tape, bubble wrap, mattress covers, it adds up fast. Even if you try to get free boxes, you usually end up buying more supplies. This is one of the first hidden costs that people underestimate. Cost number 2, fuel and travel. If you're paying for rental trucks or a moving company, costs will start adding up because you have to stop for coffee, extra fuel, food on the road. Maybe you're moving far, you have to pay for a hotel, and suddenly you're spending more than you planned. Cost number 3, damage and repairs. When you're moving, you may hit walls, you may damage floors, you may damage the hand railing on stairs because sometimes people don't remove those, and I've seen that happen when I've ordered furniture and a hand railing gets damaged. Even after I said I will remove it, but the moving company said, no, don't worry about it, and they still damaged it and they didn't come good for it. But yeah, moves are hard on homes. Sometimes you have to fix damages like paint, floors, maybe you got to patch holes. These damages can happen when you're leaving a home or going into a new home, and those repairs often get forgotten. Cost number 4, cleaning. When you're moving, maybe you're moving out of an apartment or a home, landlords often expect a really clean place when you leave. And if you own a home, you like to leave your home clean for the next people so they don't have a mess to come into. So you may be doing this cleaning yourself, or you may be hiring cleaners, which is a neat idea. It's helpful, but not always affordable. But either way, supplies or services both cost money. Cost number 5, utility and service fees. Setting up or canceling utilities can come with connection fees. Deposits, overlap costs where you're paying for 2 places at once. Internet, cable, power, water, it all adds up. Cost number 6, storage and temporary space. If your moving dates don't line up perfectly, you may need a place to put your stuff. You may need storage. And even short-term storage can be expensive, especially if you didn't plan for it. Cost number 7, time off work. Taking time off, vacation days, or losing work hours is real cost. People don't always think of time as money, but it definitely is. Cost number 8, food and convenience spending. When you're moving, you're tired. That usually means more takeout, snacks, and quick meals. It seems small, but it all adds up over a couple weeks. Now, how to prepare for hidden costs. My advice is to add a buffer to your moving budget. Even 10 to 15% can cover surprises. Keep a small list of expected extras so nothing catches you off guard. Big mistake, spending your entire budget on movers or a truck and leaving nothing for unexpected costs. And that's when people get stressed out and start using credit cards. When you plan for these hidden costs, moving becomes a lot less stressful. In the next video, I'll share simple ways to save money and avoid wasting it during your move. If this helped, check out the Moving Made Simple playlist and subscribe for more practical moving and home tips.